The Russian military has destroyed a French-made Caesar self-propelled howitzer in Ukraine, the Defense Ministry said on Tuesday. The artillery piece was discovered at its firing position in a wooded area in Ukraine's Sumy region, the Russian military said in a statement. The howitzer was targeted by a missile, presumably a KHBPLA laser-guided munition, fired by a Russian Inokadets, Orion, medium-altitude long-endurance, male, strike drone and destroyed. Footage shared by the military shows a powerful explosion at the site, apparently caused by the secondary detonation of the howitzer's ammo stock. Several Ukrainian servicemen are seen fleeing the firing position after the strike. Kiev's forces have been actively using Western-supplied artillery, including French-made Caesar howitzers, during the incursion into Russia's Kursk region launched early in August. Multiple systems operating both on Russian soil and in neighboring Sumy region were eventually destroyed by counter-battery fire, as well as drone and missile strikes. The ongoing border battle of Kursk has seen a surprise return of Russian mail drones onto the battlefield. Both Kiev and Moscow actively used these systems early on in the conflict, but the drones ended up being unable to reach their firing range since the two sides extensively covered their troops with anti-aircraft electronic warfare and early warning systems. Russia has destroyed 4 of the 67 Caesar self-propelled howitzers delivered to Ukraine, according to a report by the Spanish defense outlet Infodefensa. These howitzers, produced in France, are considered the crown jewel of French artillery. Three additional Caesar howitzers were reported damaged, though the exact cause was not disclosed. This means Ukraine has lost just 7 out of the 67 Caesar units it received, based on an analysis by the French magazine Le Point, which likely drew from photo evidence provided by the Dutch site Oorlogsspionkamp. The initial batch of 12 units, supplied directly from France, was followed by further deliveries from several countries, increasing the total to 60. Denmark contributed 19 units, which were ordered directly from the manufacturer, French defense giant Nexter, now part of the European defense group KNDS, alongside Germany's KMW. Belgium recently added 3 units from a total order of 28, and a Franco-Danish initiative earlier this year committed to another 72 units. Despite this, Ukraine has only received 67 Caesar howitzers, with a promise of 154 in total. These self-propelled artillery units were among the first major Western-supplied systems that Ukraine received following Russia's invasion in February 2022. Just 3 months into the war, the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense released a video showcasing their gratitude, showing one of the received Caesar units moving and firing shells, highlighting the advanced capabilities of this 155mm howitzer. The Caesar is one of the most advanced artillery systems on the planet, renowned for its mobility and firepower. Manufactured by Nexter Systems, the Caesar is built on a 6x6 wheeled platform that ensures superb maneuverability and rapid deployment. It has a length of 7.7 meters, a width of 2.5 meters, and weighs approximately 18 tons. Despite its relatively compact design, it can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour on paved roads and 50 km per hour off-road, making it highly mobile in a variety of terrain. The Caesar's primary combat component is a 155mm gun, capable of firing standard rounds up to 40 km in range, and up to 55 km with precision-guided munitions like the GPS-guided S-caliber shells. The weapon can fire up to 6 rounds per minute, thanks to its automated loading and targeting systems, which are powered by an advanced fire control system. This allows the Caesar to engage targets with a high level of precision, using a variety of munitions, including high-explosive, armor-piercing, cluster, and smart projectiles designed for pinpoint strikes on a range of targets. The Caesar's fire control system integrates an onboard computer platform that facilitates quick targeting and automatic target recognition. The primary navigation system includes GPS, with backup inertial navigation, INS, for accuracy even in environments where GPS signals are compromised. The system also employs digital radios for real-time data exchange with command posts and other artillery units, enabling quick adjustments and rapid responses to changing battlefield conditions. This real-time integration allows the Caesar to effectively assess situations and deliver fire support in just minutes. In addition to its fire control, the Caesar is equipped with advanced sensor systems, including optical and infrared cameras, target detection sensors, and ballistic computers that calculate and adjust projectile trajectories in real time. This technology enables the howitzer to maintain impressive accuracy, even during shoot and scoot operations at short ranges. The Caesar's precision is further enhanced by sophisticated ballistics equipment that takes into account environmental factors such as wind speed and temperature, which can affect the trajectory of a shell. One of the standout features of the Caesar is its operational range and rapid deployment. It can deploy and begin firing within minutes of reaching a new position, and its built-in navigation and sensor systems allow it to quickly relocate after completing a mission. This helps minimize exposure to enemy counterattacks, ensuring that the Caesar remains a highly effective tool on the battlefield for extended periods. The system's range extends up to 500 kilometers, depending on its fuel supply and the terrain, allowing it to operate effectively at long distances from its base of operations. Another major advantage of the Caesar is its remote control capability. Operators can manage the howitzer from a safe distance using sensors and video feeds, which greatly improves crew safety, especially in hostile conditions. Additionally, the Caesar can be integrated into larger command networks, allowing it to operate in concert with other artillery units, as well as air and naval forces. This interoperability makes it a crucial piece of modern, networked warfare systems.